In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Blooket hacks. So just first of all, we just have to get a URL from GitHub to get, and we have to also use this bookmark tab. As you can see, bookmark this tab. So let's get it on. Go with the U tab, click or search GitHub. As you can see, just click this and search Blooket hack or cheat, but I prefer this one. And as you can see, just search for Minecraft. This is where I get the hack. And as you can see, GUI bookmarklet. Just click this, copy this URL. Once you copy this URL, just go to your page, your Blooket page, and then just click this bookmark this tab. And after that, click this beside the folder, choose another folder. Once you're in here, just delete that URL and paste the URL that you have copied in GitHub and just click save. Once you did that, navigate your bookmark in this bookmark and list in your settings of your browser. So as you can see, it is visible in my other bookmarks. And for you guys, maybe it is visible in here, but mine is here. So as you can see, just click this. And once you click that, just wait for the hack to appear.